A very warm welcome to all of you to the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. I am Arij Aftab, a faculty of International Trade at IFT. As you all must be knowing that Indian Institute of Foreign Trade was set up way back in 1963 under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry for promoting trade, that is your exports and imports from the country. It began as a research organization or a consulting organization to various ministries, departments in order to promote exports from the country, that is from India. Over the period of time, we have emerged as a major B school providing education in the field of international trade, We are pioneers in this field and we have been excelling at research, in consulting, in training programs related to exports, imports and other areas related to domestic as well as foreign investment. As you are all here for your group discussions and interviews, I would like to inform you, I would like to bring to your notice that IFT has been a premier B school which offers trade related courses right from the very basic ones like being trade operations and documentation, in which you are taught about the details of trade, intricacies of starting your own exports and import business, understanding the regulatory requirements of trade, understanding the global environment in which you would like to trade. It helps you in analyzing countries, markets, commodities. Further, we move on to another courses like international trade logistics. In logistics, you will understand, you will analyze, you will understand basis aspects of movement of goods, cargo from one point to another. We also have exposure in terms of the shipping industry, airline industry, railways, roadways. We have a lot of guest lectures, adjunct facilities, adjunct faculties as well who will interact with you over a period of time, give you inputs regarding trade and trade logistics and trade facilitation from the country. Apart from that, every year we also organize a port visit. In the port visit, you will be visiting any of the ports in India as per your choice. Preferably, we have port visits to Mundra, Kandla, Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust in Mumbai, Kochi Port, Chennai Port, Kolkata Port, Vizag Port. We also have international port visits in order to accustom you with the international practices at the port area. Apart from this practical exposure, we offer a lot of electives as well in the area of trade. These electives further help you in honing your skills, understanding what you have already done in terms of your first and second trimesters. These electives help you in understanding in detail various aspects related to sectors. We have sectoral studies, we have customs and excise management. That means sectoral studies, customs management, excise management for specific sectors. Supposingly you are interested in maybe becoming an entrepreneur in the area of, in a very broad area, say in any agro industry. We have sectoral strategies for the agro sector that will be taught to you, that you'll get hands-on experience in terms of interacting with practitioners in that field. Electives being offered in customs, excise help you in understanding how clearance takes place in case of India, hence facilitating trade. Trade facilitation, all of you must be knowing, is a burning topic these days across the world. And India in the last 3 or 4 years has done a lot in terms of trade facilitation. IFT has been conducting a number of research projects as well, wherein the students are involved regularly. We have a lot of live projects coming up from ministries, governments of various states as well as from various corporate bodies as well. These live projects focus on trade promotion strategies for particular products, sectors or even states for that matter. Apart from this, our placements in the area of trade have been doing quite well. In the last 2-3 years, we have been, or our students have been placed in well-known organizations, companies like Olam International, Louis Dufresne, OECD, WTO. We have a large range of international placements with the highest package going up to $125,000 per annum. I hope all of you are able to do justice to your interview and group discussion, and we would love to have you all as a part of IFT family. Wish you all the best.